No.
Hurry up!
That's fucked. Hey guys, it's been a while, probably like 6 months. We just haven't been filming, but I found money so we could film again. We have a budget. On the left side of the screen over there, that's my friend Marco.
Hi, this is my buddy Josh.
What's up? This right here is Leo.
And we're gonna be trying different foods today. I already said that. Let's get to it.
As far as I know, I can't eat anything seafood.
Alright, well then we should get started. Alright, first up, we're gonna have these watermelon gummies, I presume. I would describe it, but I can't read the packaging.
Can you read Japanese? You're a weeboo.
You're more of a weeaboo than I.
Alright,
You're the one who's...
I've seen this guy, I've seen this little bear guy on like different game shows or something. But we'll try it, alright? So let's each have a go at this. Can I get some scissors?
Now, does this contain fish?
I don't think so, it has watermelon. One, 2, 3, go. Tastes like fish.
Bruh.
I don't like it. I like it. I'm starting to like it now.
Alright, what's your guys' rating on that?
Out of what?
5.
A 5? A 3. Un 3.
I give it a 4.
I'd give it a 3.5. It was pretty good, but it could get better than that. On to the next one. Next up, we have Oreo popcorn.
Does this contain fish?
I highly doubt it. We do have a good luck charm just in case, Josh does die.
His death is not on us.
Get a good zoom in on that.
This don't smell good. I don't like the smell. Buttery popcorn and Oreos. It's making me nauseous.
I don't know like that one.
Was it? Okay, maybe. I did not like that.
Nah,
I don't mind it. It just tastes like Oreos to me.
that's the one.
I'll give that a 3. I'm very neutral towards it.
Give it a 1.5, 1.5.
On to the next one. Whoa! Alright. Here I believe we have some strawberry lollipops. They have like little kawaii panda guys on there or something. Or bears. So we're gonna try that out right now. It's pretty good. Weird as fuck.
Hey yo, I think your mouth had fish in it.
Looking for help. That wasn't good.
I liked it.
It was a weird combination. I'd
I
probably
liked
give that a 1.5 out of 5.
I give it a 4.
I give it a...
Wasn't good. On to the next one. Next up, we have these lemon candies. I'm pretty sure they're sour. Because they have like a little, I don't know, they have a little warning. So we'll see how these are. You got it.
Yeah, I think that says fish.
Show
Oh yeah,
the camera.
let me read those.
It's fine. It should be fine.
Soybean. Just contains soybean.
Should be fine by now.
Is that fish, Josh?
Let me smell it. What the fuck? That smells like painting supplies, like some construction painting supplies. We are eating paint. Alright, ready?
He's ready.
That fucking hurt.
I give that a 1. I don't really like sour shit, so I'm kind of biased, but it just didn't taste good. On to the next one. Next up, we have Haribo Lakritz Schnicken. We have tires.
Bro. That smells like dog food.
Oh yeah, that's not good. Oh, you unwind it.
Do you?
I think so.
You can. You can.
You guys biting it? That's gross.
Do it. Give me the mug.
That is not good. You know what? Don't spit on the floor.
I'm not. I didn't.
0 out of 10.
Give me the.
That was not good. Next one. We have another stupid sour candy.
Oh my god.
It's probably in packages, huh?
Yeah.
It's good. It tastes how it smells.
Ooh, shit!
Oh,
It's hitting.
that's bad. Yeah, that's worse than the other one.
Shit. I don't know what the fuck this is.
Oh my bad.
You get to zoom it in your hand.
Careful, I have a bit of Josh on there. It's like candy strawberry wafers.
These are good. I had better things.
Well, that's basically everything that we have to try today. But we do have one more thing. Alright, next up what we have is the Bomb Extreme Insanity Beyond Insanity Hot Sauce.
You didn't tell me about this.
We each have a tortilla chip because we don't have hot wings or wings. So we're gonna put them on the tortilla chip. We have some milk to share for the 3 of us. It's lactose-free milk, and we have, of course, water. So let's do this. 3,
2, 1, go!
Give me that motherfucker. Give me that motherfucker.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty fucked.
No.
Hurry up! That's bad. That's really bad.
I mean, you know.
Water. I'm extremely lightheaded right now. Well, that's a wrap, guys. Thank you for watching. This was pretty fun until the very last part. Hopefully we'll have more videos out in the future, get a more consistent schedule. Sorry about the late. It's almost 6 months away. We've just been all really busy. So thanks for sticking around. We'll see you on the next one.
Profits.
Fluffy.
Now you want to make out.